Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to wrap text in Microsoft Excel. So we are going to show you how to go from this to this. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. Have you ever had text that you typed into a cell and it just spills over across? Well, it is possible to grow this cell in height so that all of this cell wraps into one single cell. So if I click in A1 and then I right click on that cell and go down here to Format Cells, and then I go over to the Alignment tab, there's an option here that I can click that says Wrap Text. And then I'm going to say OK. And I can see now that my cell is not spilling out over into these 4 columns anymore. It is all wrapped into one cell, which has been automatically adjusted in height to fit it all in there. Now, this isn't the only way that you can wrap text in Microsoft Excel. We go over some other methods for you on our blog, and I will include a link to that blog entry out on our website in the description below on YouTube. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.